How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. So if you want to recall a mail in Outlook mobile app, then first you need to open up your Outlook application. Once you open up your Outlook, make sure to sign into your account. So once you've signed in, now what you need to do is just go with the upper left, which has that Outlook icon or the Google icon. And here you will have an option of send. So simply tap on send. And once you tap on send, you need to select the conversation. And once you select it, you will have a three dots on the right side. If you tap on the three dots, you may have the recall option, but if you don't have it right here, then you can go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and here you may have it. But if you don't have that, what you need to do is just simply go with delete, which is on the upper right, and you need to delete the selected mail. This is because mobile apps simply lack the option of recalling mail in Outlook app. And that's how you can recall mail in Outlook mobile app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.